Hello kasenyor guys, today we will repair this stand fan guys, not spinning and with buzzing sound. You see guys, this one I will show you. You see, you hear the sound but not spinning. We will repair now guys. Follow me guys for the repair. We will check first the resistance ohms reading guys. Number 1 guys, 385, 350, 349 guys. Number 2, number 3, 326, 325. So there is a resistance ohms reading. So the motor is okay guys. The problem of this electric fan kasenyor guys is the bushing and shafting stuck up. If you hear a buzzing sound, the shafting is stuck up. It's hard to spin. So the motor is creating a buzzing sound. You see guys, very hard. Very hard to turn. Stuck up. If you lubricate this one, it will do guys for a short time period. First option, I have my previous video regarding this one. The first option, lubricate the bushing and shafting. So check my previous video guys regarding this one. But now this one is hard. We can do, we will try, I will show you, but it will not last long. It will again back to the previous problem. You see guys, I lubricate. I lubricate already. You see, it's turning now, but it will not last long if the shafting and the bushing is worn out. So I will show you now guys. I will dismantle now this one. Before disconnecting the wires guys, take note of the color coding, because this is not the original wiring now. You see guys, different colors guys. White red, black yellow, green black. So you have to take note the color coding before disconnecting guys. In capacitor guys, no need, because it can be connected in any color, any wire. These two capacitor wire. There is a thermal fuse guys. There is a thermal fuse. You see guys, It's very important for the stator motor that there is a thermal fuse. This one, if the shafting is stuck up and left unattended, if there is no thermal fuse, it will be burn out and create fire. So this one is very important, the thermal fuse. So there is no problem of this stator. There is no problem. I will show. We will test. The common is the green, guys. Common wire. You see, guys, 380, 339, 299, number 3. Number 2, number 1. Capacitor, guys. Okay. Capacitor 517. Okay. So the stator motor has resistance ohm reading. The problem is the shafting, guys. This shafting. You see, guys, worn out already. Worn out. We will try to clean this one with emery cloth. Remove the worn out parts, guys. Also here, you see, guys, at the back. If it is light worn out, we can do by we can clean it with emery cloth, very fine emery cloth. We will replace the bushing, guys. Front and rear bushing we will replace. You see, this is the problem, guys, the bushing. I already replaced the bushing, guys. Replace the bushing, front and rear bushing, guys. I replaced already. So we will assemble now, guys. Again, this one I clean with sandpaper. I remove the worn out parts, guys. This one now, the shafting. Guys, I will replace new capacitor 1.5. Wow, Kindle. Silo. 1.5 microfarads. Down. Go down, Kindle. Okay guys, we will test now. Number 1 guys. Number 2. Number 3. Okay guys, we're done. Our repair an electric fan that suddenly stopped, but with resistance ohms reading. So if you encounter problem like this guys, ka-senior, so first thing is, in my previous video, lubricate, first option. And the second option is replace the capacitor. And the third option is to replace the bushing and shafting. So in this repair, I replace the capacitor 1.5 microfarads. I replace the bushing, two bushing, the front and the rear bushing. The shafting, I clean it by emery cloth. I lubricate also all parts, clean all parts. For those who are new in my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for you to be informed for my upcoming videos. Okay guys, have a nice day and God bless.